Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I am going to show you how to protect PDF document. PDF means portable document format, and if you want to put a password to mitigate the risk, you can add a password protection to your PDF file. When you encrypt PDF, password are required to view the document. Can password protect your PDF using Microsoft Office 2013, 16, 20, 21 also. So let me show you how you can password protect your PDF file. When you encrypt and protect a password document using Microsoft Office, see here. So I want to password protect this PDF. Here you can see I'm able to open this PDF file. To password protect it, right click, open with. You can click, if you are able to see here Microsoft Office Word, you can select, otherwise click on choose other application, then search for Microsoft Word, and then you can click OK. Click OK again, go to file section, click save as, browse. In the save type dialog box, click PDF. You can type password protect option. When you will click option, bottom side you can see encrypt the document with the password. Check mark this box and then click OK. Please enter your password. Again enter the password. To confirm it, click OK, and here you can see it's saying that you must have password should be between 6 to 32 character. Click OK and then click save. We can close this also. Here I have saved password protected PDF file. Click open. It will prompt you to enter your password. Enter the password, open the file. Hope this video helped you. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.